What is up, guys? This is me, Quentin Gooden. If you notice, my channel is not the Ultimate Car Guy anymore. It's just my name. Now, as you can see, this is my CB7 right here. But what? Look at this. This here is my new car. This is a Honda Prelude BB6, and I got it for $450. That is such a good deal. The engine runs smooth. The only thing that's wrong with it, really, that keeps it from driving, is its transmission. I mean, the transmission is slipping. It will only go to reverse and first gear. It drives, but it only goes to reverse and first. I've experienced VTEC in this car, and I can tell you the truth, it's already faster than my car in a straight line. I just wanted to show you guys this car. I'm about to wash this thing, and I hope this thing goes well. This is going to be called Project BB6. This is going to be amazing. Let's get to it. Guys, we are finally done washing this car, and oh my god, this thing looks so much better. Like, look at the before and after pictures. It looks like it was in a barn, and now it looks like it's brand new. Finally done actually cleaning out this BB6. I can show you the interior and the engine and so much more. Like, this thing is such a nice car. I only got it for $450. Basically everything works except for this window. The transmission, of course, you only got first and reverse. But this thing has a sunroof, and yes, it works. It's freaking awesome. I need to clean up this interior, but other than that, it's a really good interior. Everything really just goes up nice. The back seats are nice in there. It's comfortable. I can sit in the back seats, no problem. Let me show you guys the hood and the trunk. For $450, I think I got a good deal. I mean, look at this. If I had to get an early 90s Honda, if I had to get a late 90s Honda, this would be one of them, other than the NSX, of course. And look at that. I have a subwoofer in the back. That's going to be pretty nice. Now let's check out the engine. Now I have to be careful. There's a hell of a lot of wasp in here. Check this out. This is a really good running engine. No problems out of it. It's smooth. Way smoother than my CB7's F22. This is the H22 engine, the one I'm planning on putting into my CB7 one day. And it really pulls. It really does. Well, guys, I hope you enjoy this introduction to this new project car that I just got. It's been really fun just working on it and tinkering with it. I got a tire put on there, and it does look a lot better since it's clean. It doesn't look like a piece of shit like it did. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and make sure you hit that bell. And I'll talk to you guys later.